Hey guys, it's Brittany with Swope Hair, and today I'm going to be working with my client Adrian, and we're going to be doing a ravishing rod set. This ravishing rod set is a great transitioning style if you still have a relaxer or if you have heat damage on your ends. Adrian is completely natural, and she's been natural for about probably close to 2 years now. She did get some heat damage from at-home manipulation from a silk press she had, trying to make it stretch and straightening it at home, which is never a good idea. But nonetheless, we're doing we're not doing a silk press, we're doing a ravishing rod set on her today. And this is a great style if you're transitioning or you like a more elongated curl, because the rods give the hair a uniform curl. They stretch the hair out a lot, they give it a really smooth curl. And so if you work out or if you're active, rods are a good option, because if your hair is long enough, you can pull them off of your face or any place that your hair contacts your skin where you might be sweating. And then when you take them down, you still have a really polished curl. So this is one of my favorites. Well, let me take that back. All of my styles are my favorites. But the rods are a really good style. Transitioning, if you're active, just a busy lifestyle, or you like a more elongated smooth curl, rods are for you. So just make sure you keep watching and check out her end results. And I'll talk to you guys next.